According to a new survey by automation company ABB, nearly 9 in 10 hospitality managers are open to leveraging robotics to automate tasks. And since restaurant applications have long benefited from purpose-built bots for everything from taking orders to dropping fries, it's not surprising that industry leaders are looking to take things one step further. ABB has announced a new fast food restaurant concept called BurgerBots, a groundbreaking effort they say can deliver made-to-order burgers. At the heart of this kitchen is ABB's IRB 360 Flex Picker and Yumi collaborative robot, utilized for their speed and precision as they assemble perfectly cooked meals and monitor stock levels. As each order is received, a compact robotic cell serves as host to the process, where a freshly cooked burger patty is placed on a bun and inside a burger box. This box, affixed with a QR code, travels along a conveyor shuttle where the IRB 360 Flex Picker adds toppings using the data stored in the code. Next, the Yumi cobot helps with the final assembly of the burger. The entire process has been whittled down to just 27 seconds per burger. And while speed outpaces humans to be sure, the added benefit is that human staff can be redirected to roles maintaining customer experience, instead of focusing on these food production tasks. ABB also says that high turnover has created gaps in the restaurant industry that the BurgerBot concept hopes to target. Not to mention, ABB seems particularly suited to address these challenges based on the company's experience in a multitude of industries, namely manufacturing. Mark Segura, president of the ABB Robotics division, says the firm's long-standing history in industrial enhances its abilities in the restaurant industry, enabling ABB to bring industrial-grade consistency, efficiency, and reliability to this space.